Welcome to the Calice table and bar base assembly instructions. When you open the box, it will contain 2 leg pieces, 2 spider pieces, the column, the booker rod with a nut, 2 nuts and 2 washers. You will need thread lock, a 16mm spanner and a 16mm socket drill. Firstly, place a washer on the end of the booker rod that has the nut and apply thread lock. Place the smaller spider piece into the larger one and flip it over. Slide the booker rod through the spider and use a nut to hold it in place. Put the spider face down on the workbench and use the 16mm spanner to tighten the nut. Find the tab on the column and the tab on the spider. Slide the column over the booker rod and align the tabs. Grab the larger foot piece and once again line up the tab on the foot to the tab on the spider. Place the smaller foot piece on top of the larger one by threading it onto the booker rod. Place the washer on, apply thread lock and secure the last nut on the top. Lastly, use a 16mm socket drill to tighten the nut and secure it in place. The Calice is one of our first aluminium bases from Nardi, Italy and is Cartons tested. It is suited for semi-outdoor applications and is ideal for hotel, club and cafe spaces with its smooth texture and slim design. For high salinity environments, it is available via indent with an alloy treatment.